Alright, so you've done your editing, you've added in your additional sound clips, and you're ready now to export this project out so that it is a playable audio file. And in order to do that, you want to head on over to File, and two options for you, Export and Export Selection. Let's start off with Export. What Export will do is it will basically export out the entire project. And everything that you've done throughout all your tracks for the entire length of those tracks will now be exported out as a one audio file. And once I select a suitable file name and click Save, I am presented with this screen here, which is an information screen. This is stuff that will be sort of, in a sense, embedded as part of this audio file, and it's information that tells the person who's listening to this, whether it's through an MP3 player or through a media player on a computer, this is information that they'll be able to view in terms of whose recording this is, track title, the year, and all those things that are relevant to this particular project. It's an opportunity for them now to start looking and seeing this information as they're listening to it in their media player. Now, when you're done with that, go ahead and click OK, and it will start the process. But let's go back to Export Selection. Export Selection is very similar, except what we're doing here is we are going to, again, by using the Selection tool, select a part or a portion of our audio project. And so if I just wanted to export out one particular piece from an audio track, I would just go ahead and highlight that or select that using the selector tool, and then go to File and then go to Export Selection, and it would basically walk me through the same process, presenting me that same metadata screen that we just saw when we did the export selection earlier. But also keep in mind, if I have my project that involves different tracks, I might also want to select those things as well, and by using the selection tool I can also select across tracks as well by simply clicking and dragging across different tracks. I can ensure that if I have got audio on different tracks that I want to make sure are included in this export of this particular selection, that I can do that as well. And of course, go over to File, Export Selection, and we are now presented with that screen that we saw again earlier to be able to complete this export. And of course, take some time to fill out the information, and when you're done with that, you can go ahead and click OK, and that will start the process. And there it is, export and export selection.